Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Telm's Tech, and I hope you're doing well. Now if you've been following this channel for the past 12 to 18 months, you know that my studio is in a conservatory, which obviously isn't the best place for doing videos. There's lots of noise, lots of reverb, lots of feedback. Obviously the foam panelling around me and behind me does help with that, but a lot of it is still within the editing, which does take a lot of time. I'm obviously using a shotgun mic on the top of my Nikon camera. So today we are going to be reviewing this wireless lapel microphone from a company called FiFine's. So let's roll that intro and jump straight on into it. So let's actually see what you get inside the box. Now I have got another camera up there so you can actually get a closer look at the product. So first of all, let's take the lid off and you're greeted with obviously the instruction manual, which you may want to use for a bit later on. However, I'm going to put that to one side. You then get a little greeting card which says thank you dear customer and that you're valid. So again, obviously we're not going to need that, so pop that to one side. Then opening up, and there is your transmitter. Now there's the aerial. You've got a little port at the top there for your microphone. You've got the set button, which I'm guessing is for the frequency. On the front you've got a little screen there which tells you the frequency that you're at, your on and off button, and then you've got this little compartment down here which is for 2 AA batteries. Now they do actually include those within the box, so I'm going to move this over here so it doesn't clunk on the desk. There you go. So that's actually quite nice. And then on the back you have got a clasp, so this can go onto a pocket, your belt buckle, anywhere really on your person, and it's quite strong, quite sturdy, which is quite nice. So we're going to leave that there for now. Removing the rest of the packaging, so put that to one side. And there is your microphone. So this is going to go on, again, any part of your clothing, underneath your top, underneath a suit jacket, and that's quite nice. Your connector, so you actually have got up here this little button, don't know if you can see that just there. So that is for when you connect it in to the transmitter. There you go. It actually clips in really, really nicely. It's sturdy and it's clasped in there, it's not going to come off. And then just to release it, I say that, let's put that there. To release it, you press the button down and you pull and it comes away. So yeah, that's really, really nice. That's obviously in there, so I'm going to leave that there for now. Moving on over, and you do get your receiver. So you've got a 1 1/4 or a 6.5mm connector there. This is going to go into like a stereo system. It's going to go into like a karaoke machine, anything that's got that port it can connect into. Then on the side, you've got an LED indicator here, so it's going to flash green when it's paired with the transmitter, and it's going to go red, obviously, when it's ready to start, recording and receiving the data from this transmitter here. You've got your on and off button just there as well, and then here is a little antenna. So this just pops up, and that is going to give you greater range from the receiver. So I believe these can go up to about 50 foot. Obviously, we'll do a test in a minute when I'm outside in the garden. And then on the other side, just here, is where you're going to put 2 A3 batteries, again, of which they include within the box there. So there you go, that's pretty much everything. And the last thing actually, before you go, is you've got another cable. Now this cable goes from the 1 1/4 or the 6.5mm to a 3.5mm jack for like cameras or phones, anything that's got that connectivity, and that just pops on the end just like that, and you're pretty much ready to go, obviously bar the batteries. Now which way round do these go? So you've got plus there and minus at the front, and you're just going to connect that and leave that in there for the moment. With the transmitter, again, pretty much the same. So you get that open, and it's going to have indicators of where plus and minus go. So reading it upside down, plus is towards the right hand side of the receiver, and that's at the top, and plus on the bottom is towards the left hand side of the receiver. So again, you want to turn these both on at the same time. So you've got to hold down the transmitter and the receiver, and then obviously there you go. So you change the frequency just by pressing the top button there for set, and if I remember correctly, that should flash green and then red. So green is paired and then red is starting to record. So let's get this on my person. Let's go out into the garden and let's actually see what this sounds like compared to the shotgun microphone that's on top of my camera. So as you can see, I'm now outside in the garden. The microphone is currently on my shirt, and I'm going to walk up to the back. So like I said, it's about 40-45 foot up to the back of the garden, and yeah, it's actually really nice. It's really concealed. There you go, I'm at the back of the garden. I do apologise for all the mess outside the garden. I have got something going on out here which obviously is going to be bringing a video to you later on down the line. I'm held back a little bit at the moment with time constraints and obviously help from my friends. But yeah, obviously it's really nice, really concealed. I actually don't even notice that it's on me. There you go, I'm just going to come back into the conservatory, so I do apologise for any noise. And now I'm actually back inside. So yeah, it's actually quite a nice little microphone. Like I said, you're only going to notice it because I'm wearing a white shirt and it is black. Hopefully this does sound better than obviously the shotgun mic that I was using before on the camera. And as I said, the link is in the description down below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it does give me a little kickback, but doesn't cost you anything extra. Now the whole kit was around about £34, so actually really cheap to have one of these on. Obviously if you're going to be outside, you're going to want a windshield as well, so I'll link one of them in the description down below as well. So that's it all from me today, guys. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please click on that subscribe button, it is greatly appreciated, and don't forget to hit that bell icon on your way out for more notifications from myself. The Discord channel and also my Facebook page is in the links in the description down below, and like always, I shall see you in the next video.